Alright, I got my ditch lights put on. Got them the other day from CALI raised LED. And they send you the lights, the wiring harness. I ordered another switch. And I think they came out pretty good. You can see there's 6 LED lights in the front, and then there's 3 shooting off to the side on each one. So you get a total of 18 lights. Come over to the other side here. Ordered the brackets as well, right here. They attach to the bracket holding on the hood using the same bolts. It was pretty easy to put on. Wiring was super easy. And that's what they look like from the front. And then with that, I also ordered the switch and that panel that replaces the coin cubby that went right here. There's room for 3 switches. I just have one now. I'll probably just get blanks and put them in there. I think that came out really nice. And hit the switch, blue lights come on. So, truck's coming along so far. Quick look at the bed rack. Side panels in the truck. The quick fist mounts for a shovel. And then the Rotopax mounts. Here and there. 2 3-gallon gas cans each for those. And just have an extra one over here. I'll probably just use it for water. And I got the bed stiffeners inside. And eventually, when I get the tent on top of the rack, keep the bed from being bowed out. There it is so far.